Let's talk money, folks. We're diving into the world of insurance. Now, it might not be the most exhilarating topic, but trust me, it's crucial for your financial health. Think of insurance as your financial safety net. Life throws curveballs, accidents, illnesses, unexpected events. Insurance is there to catch you, preventing a financial disaster. Imagine this: you're cruising down the road and bam, fender bender. Without car insurance, you're shelling out big bucks for repairs, medical bills, and legal fees. Ouch! That's where insurance swoops in like a superhero, protecting your wallet from financial ruin. Insurance isn't about getting rich quick, it's about safeguarding your hard-earned money. It's about having peace of mind, knowing you're covered when life throws its worst. So buckle up as we break down different types of insurance and how they fit into your financial plan. Remember, folks, financial peace isn't about luck, it's about planning, and insurance is a key player in that game plan. First up, health insurance. Can't live without it. We all need medical care at some point, whether it's a routine checkup or an unexpected illness. Health insurance helps cover those costs, so you're not drowning in medical bills. Think of it as an investment in your well-being. Regular checkups and preventive care can catch problems early, saving you money and stress in the long run. Plus, knowing you have coverage provides peace of mind, allowing you to focus on what matters most, your health. Now, I know what you're thinking, health insurance can be expensive, but trust me, it's an investment worth making. Shop around, compare plans, and find one that fits your budget and needs. Remember, staying healthy shouldn't mean going broke. So prioritize your health and your finances by securing a good health insurance plan. It's a decision you won't regret. Next up, let's talk about our four-wheeled friends' cars. Auto insurance is non-negotiable. It protects you financially in case of accidents, theft, or damage to your vehicle. Imagine this: you're driving home from work and suddenly a hailstorm hits. Your car looks like it went through a rock concert. Without comprehensive auto insurance, you're stuck footing the bill for those repairs. No thanks. Auto insurance comes in different flavors: liability, collision, comprehensive, and more. Each type covers specific scenarios, so it's important to understand your needs and choose the right coverage. Don't skimp on this one, folks. Driving comes with risks, but auto insurance helps mitigate those risks, protecting your wallet and your ride. Drive safe, stay insured, and enjoy the open road. Now let's talk about our humble abodes, our homes. Whether you're renting an apartment or own a house, home insurance is a must-have. It protects your belongings and your living space from unexpected events like fires, theft, or natural disasters. Imagine this: you're away on vacation and a pipe bursts in your home, flooding your belongings. Without home insurance, you're looking at a hefty repair bill and the cost of replacing all your possessions. Talk about a vacation nightmare. Home insurance covers those costs, providing financial protection and peace of mind. It's about safeguarding your investment and ensuring that your home remains a haven, no matter what life throws your way. Shop around, compare policies, and find coverage that suits your needs and budget. Remember, protecting your castle is an essential part of securing your financial future. Let's talk about life insurance. It's not the most cheerful topic, but it's crucial for protecting your loved ones financially if something were to happen to you. Life insurance provides a financial safety net for your beneficiaries, helping them cover expenses like mortgage payments, education costs, or daily living expenses. Imagine this: you have a family, and you're the primary breadwinner. If something were to happen to you, life insurance would provide your family with financial support, allowing them to maintain their standard of living and pursue their dreams, even in your absence. Life insurance is an act of love and responsibility. It's about ensuring that your loved ones are taken care of, no matter what the future holds. Talk to a financial advisor, determine your needs, and find a policy that provides the right amount of coverage. Remember, life insurance is not about you. It's about the people you love most. Leave a legacy of love and financial security, not a burden of debt and uncertainty. Pop quiz, hotshot. Ready to test your insurance knowledge? Here's a trivia question to ponder. What type of auto insurance covers damage to your car if you hit a deer? A. Liability insurance. B. Collision insurance. C. Comprehensive insurance. D. Uninsured motorist coverage. Think carefully. The answer is C. Comprehensive insurance. Comprehensive insurance covers damage to your vehicle caused by events other than a collision, such as theft, vandalism, fire, or yes, even a run-in with a deer. There you have it, folks. The lowdown on insurance and its crucial role in your financial journey. Remember, insurance is not an expense. It's an investment in your peace of mind and financial security. From health scares to car accidents, life is full of unexpected events. Insurance acts as a safety net, protecting you from financial ruin and allowing you to navigate life's uncertainties with confidence. Don't wait for disaster to strike before you get covered. Talk to a financial advisor, assess your needs, and find insurance policies that fit your budget and provide adequate protection. Remember, securing your financial future starts with being insured.